Hi guys, welcome back to Lytical Bread. So today we are going to learn how to use the quotient rule. Okay, so this is basically under calculus, that is differentiation. Okay, so we're going to use this question so that we all learn how to solve using the quotient rule. Good. So let's say you're having two functions f of x and g of x, and they are in quotient form. So that is what I'm saying. If we are having each of x is equal to f of x on g of x. So this is in rational form. Okay. So quotient. They are dividing. That's why we are saying quotient. Okay. Good. So this one you need under calculus, you need to use the quotient rule to solve this type of question. Okay, and the quotient rule, it says the derivative of, let's say, the function, so f of x on g of x with respect to x is equal to, what you do is, there's the numerator and there's the denominator. First of all, you differentiate the numerator. So f of x prime, you hold the denominator, you multiply it by the derivative. So multiply by g of x. Then you take away, now you hold the numerator, that is f of x. Then you differentiate the denominator, multiply by what? The numerator, which is f of x. So going to be g of x prime. Okay. All over the denominator, which is g of x, then you square it. So it's going to be g of x all squared. Good. So this is what we call it quotient rule. Now let's come to our main question, which was f of x is equal to x squared over x plus 1. Okay, now let our u is equal to x squared. Okay, then our v to be x plus 1 by this. Okay, now our u prime, that is the derivative of u, is going to be what? So when you differentiate x squared, we get 2x. Then the derivative of v, which is v prime, we are going to get x. When you differentiate x, you get 1. When you differentiate a constant, is 0. So you don't need to bother. So you have to put this into the formula. Okay. So we say that the derivative of u of x on v of x with respect to x, you see, I'm using v of x and u of x because of the variable we use. Okay, good. So this is going to be, so we differentiate the numerator, which is u prime of x, we multiply by the denominator, which is v. So v of x minus f of, so our f now is u. So u of x multiplied by v prime of x all over v squared. Good. So this is it. So now we are going to get our u prime is what? It's 2x multiplied by v. V is x plus 1. minus ux is what? It's x squared, okay, multiplied by v prime, which is 1, all on v squared. So v squared is x plus 1 all squared. For further simplification, we are going to get 2. So we are going to get 2s bracket x plus 1. So 2s times s, we are getting what? 2x squared. 2x times 1. So we get 2x. Good. Minus our x squared all over x plus 1 squared. So let's continue to simplify this. You can see that 2x squared minus x squared, we get x squared. Then plus our 2x on x plus 1. So this will be our final answer, but you can still simplify this, okay? I hope you get it. Now try this for me. So find the derivative of h of x, which is equal to x squared plus 1 all over x. Good. Don't forget to try this and leave your answer in the comment section. Thank you.